Hi, in front of me is LG K62 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open an app in pop-up view on this device. Firstly, select an app, like Chrome, open it and tap Home button. Then click on the square one and tap on the icon of an app. Select pop-up window. As you can see, now I can use my app in this window over here and even overlay other ones. If you wish to change size of it, you can always turn it into this bubble by clicking on Home button and going back by tapping on it. You can also change size of your window by clicking on one of the lines, for example that one, and dragging it however you want to. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can always tap on this X icon at the top right corner. And as you can see, now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!